Hi everyone, it's Paula from PSEN Creations. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you are returning. Today we are on day 4 of 12 days of Christmas journaling cards. So day 4 is 4 calling birds. We have done day 1, which was a partridge in a pear tree. Day 2, 2 turtle doves. And day 3, 3 French hens. So now we move on to day 4. And the elements that I have chosen to use for day 4 is I'm going to use this coffee dyed piece of, I believe this was a tablecloth, a lace tablecloth. I'm going to use just this. It's like it's a piece of paper, but it's not cardstock consistency, but it's thicker than just regular like paper. So I just ripped it and into a shape that I thought would be great. And I'm going to be using 4 buttons. These are the buttons I selected, just 4 basic buttons. And of course, my element, which is 4 calling birds, collie birds. All right, let's get started. My base, as it has been and will continue to be, is a old postcard that I covered with a sheet of music paper. I did find out that this particular one, which I think the other ones may be as well, these are from Poland. So like I said, the back has some foreign writing on it, which I thought was pretty cool. Great journaling space. So let's start by rounding our corners on the card. You don't have to do that. I just chose to do it. So I'm just going to continue it throughout the 12 days of journaling cards. I hope everybody's doing well. Okay, I have my Fabri-Tac glue that I will be using to put the fabric down, or the lace. I think I like it like this. So I'm thinking my design will be, and I have my glue gun heating up because that's how I'm going to put the buttons down. I like using the glue gun for the buttons. I don't think these have a right way or a wrong way. They're both the same on both sides. So anyhow, here's what I'm thinking for my layout is something like this. I think I like that. A little bit of overlaying texture from the different elements. So that's what I'm going to go with. All right, so let's lay this down just so I get an idea of where I have to glue till. So it likes right to this part right here. I hope everybody's doing well today. I will put the previous 3 videos, the links in the description box below. I hope if you are doing this project, or if you're crafting along with this, I would love to see, I apologize, so they're hiding it. I would love to see the work that you've done. Oh, I think I was supposed to put this underneath there, wasn't I? Yes, I was. We're gonna just lift it slightly. Oh, okay. Yikes. But I would love to see what you're working on. So you can tag me on Instagram at PSEN Creations using the hashtag 12 Days of Christmas Journaling Cards. Let's see. Okay. And as with the previous cards, this is really just a really quick and easy. Way to get a little creative. Okay, I think I'm going to put this down. Oh, hold on. First, I'm going to distress it. I'm really not distressing it because the edge here is already colored, but there's a little bit of white from where I ripped it from the paper sheet. So I think I want it like this. So let's put some Fabri-Tac. Oh, oh. And I should probably have something underneath so that I'm not getting glue on my mat, but you know. I also like when I'm doing something repetitive. I don't know if others are like this as well, but I do enjoy. I lost my cap. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. I do enjoy putting like the center or the focal point in different areas. So for example, for the Partridge in a Pear Tree, I put it on this side here. For the Two Turtle Doves, I decided to put it on this side. You know, so it's just a little bit of just adding a little bit of different, I don't know. All right, so now I'm just with my glue gun putting a little bit of glue, and I'm just going to stick it down where I want it. Apologize on that. You know how sometimes a sneeze makes your nose runny? That's where I'm at right now. I need to figure out where I want these because once you glue them, they're down. I mean, you can always take them off. All right, and now we do the final step, which is just ink the edges. I think I may actually cut some of that off. All right. Ink the edges. And that is it for day 4 of the 12 days of Christmas journaling cards for Collie Birds. Day 4 is the complete journaling card. So I think I already showed day 1, Partridge in a Pear Tree, 2 turtle doves, 3 French hens, and today's was 4 collie birds. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today and every day in this series. I truly appreciate it. If you liked the video, hit the like button. And if you are new here and you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button if you like these types of little videos that are short, but I think cute. It gives you a little bit of an idea at least. I will see everyone on day 5 tomorrow with our next journaling card in the 12 Days of Christmas Journaling Card series. Thank you guys. Bye.